Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I'm going to show you how to create a new Steam account in your laptop or PC. First, you need to open your Steam application. As I already have Steam account, I will need to click on this add account option and it will take me to this page. So all I need to do is click on this right here at the bottom right of the window, create a free account, and it will take me to a new window. So here I will write my email address. I will type it again in this and I will select my residence. I will check both of these and click on continue. So it says it has sent me an email. I will just go here and click on verify my email address in my Gmail. So after that, it says email verified. I will go back to my Steam and I will start creating a new account. So I will create a name. I will create a password. So I will create a password for this. I will confirm my password again and I will click on done. And you have successfully created a new account in your PC or laptop. And now go ahead and enter your account name and password you just created and click on sign. It will lead you to your Steam. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and I'll meet you guys in the next video.